बेचना चाहते हैं, तो without awareness, how can you expect conversion? That's why the funnel goes like this. It gets thinner and thinner because यहाँ पहुँचना बहुत मुश्किल है. It's a very deep end of the pool. But everybody has to start at the same place. बड़े से बड़ा ब्रांड भी डिजिटल पे वहीं शुरू करेगा जिसकी शायद ऑफलाइन अवेयरनेस एग्जिस्ट भी करती हो, लेकिन फिर भी उसको मेटा के लिए अपना मसल बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा अगर उसका एड मैनेजर और पेज बिल्कुल नया है. So the funnel is the same, no matter how big or small you are. Awareness is, again, awareness can look like browsing. कि लोग Instagram पे आप देखते होंगे, आप reels आप browse कर सकते हैं, and you keep going reel after reel after reel. Anything that shows up there has managed to get your attention. So that core is set for them. That's awareness. Discovery कि आप जाके discover करना चाह रहे हैं. आपने Google पे एक search की and you are trying to find that, and then there's a list of things that show up जिसमें SEO भी ज़ाहिर है आपका साथ देता है. वो चीज़ें आपकी अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करती हैं. When I'm looking for that particular thing or service and you show up on my feed, suddenly I'm aware. Influencer tags. Now this is part of PR जो कि अवेयरनेस का एक बड़ा जो है ना साइड बाय साइड चलती है अवेयरनेस के साथ. Because brands or organizations, there's only so much people connect and relate to any entity like that. People always relate to people more. So that's why influencers will really be something that can boost your awareness even better than any paid campaign can. Provided you pick the right ones, because I hear this a lot कि यार influencer आया कोई footfall नहीं पड़ा, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, PR भी की. So it has to depend on whether you are working with an influencer who is already speaking to your audience. That's what you need to crack there. Consideration. अब consideration वो phase है customer की journey का जहाँ पे they've seen your ad, they're aware of who you are or they're aware of the fact that you exist and what you do. But now they have either saved your post. Now I'm going to talk technically in terms of post because Instagram is something I'm pretty sure we all understand. उन्होंने save किया आपका post, suddenly they are considering you. वो awareness से एक phase आगे चले गए. They will come back to you later. They might not make that sale immediately or they might not make that change immediately. They might not reach out immediately, but they saved you. You're in the back of their head. Now you just need to keep doing your recall for awareness so that you can keep tapping into these considerate category वाले लोग. इसमें ज़ाहिर है story views भी शामिल होते हैं. अगर आप daily stories अपने Instagram पे लगा रहे हैं, that's a way to remain in the consideration cycle and be top of mind for your customer. Conversion. A lot of SMEs, because they have ज़ाहिर है lack of budget and lack of patience, they want to be here. Whether it's a service, whether they're looking for leads or whether they're trying to sell their muffins online. This is where they all come, they say I have 1,000 rupees. How many sales can I do with it per day अगर मैं 1,000 रुपए spend करूँ? But that's where वो जो हम कहते हैं मार्केटर आपको बातों में उलझाते हैं और आपको पीछे इस तरह से लेके जाते हैं. अक्सर इस तरह की बातें हम सुनते हैं, पर वो बातों में उलझाना नहीं है, वो आपको यही जर्नी समझा रहे होते हैं कि there's no way you can maybe हाँ शायद ऐसा हो कि आपने अवेयरनेस कहीं और क्रिएट की हुई है और उसके चक्कर में आपने एक एग्जीबिशन किया था अभी रिसेंटली. Some people visited your stall at a particular physical location. They're aware of you, they reached out to you and they saw a conversion ad, so they converted. But that's a one-off. If you need to get real conversion that costs you way less than it will cost you to run a conversion ad from the get-go, you need to take your customer through the journey. That's the basic of it. Loyalty is again, हम सब समझते हैं कि वो repeat purchase है. अब एक दफ़ा customer आपका बन गया, एक दफ़ा convert हो गया and he likes your product, which is why for SMEs I always say don't try to spend 3x of your budget on marketing. Spend maybe 0.5, but work on creating that product or service that stands out. ताकि जब एक दफ़ा customer convert हो जाए, जो बड़ा मुश्किल से होता है digital के ऊपर, इतनी saturation है, फिर वो जाए नहीं आपके पास से, क्योंकि उसके बाद मार्केटर आपका कुछ नहीं कर सकता. उसके बाद it's pure and the ball's in your court. So you have to have a product that leads to repeat purchases and referrals, because word of mouth advocacy, nothing like it on digital for long term loyalty. Advocacy. ये बड़ा मुश्किल है. नेगेटिव रिव्यूज तो आप देखेंगे अक्सर फूड के बिजनेस में. कराची फूड डायरी से अगर जो लोग कराची के बाहर के भी हैं वो अवेयर नहीं भी हैं, तो स्वॉट गाइड और इस किस्म के काफ़ी फूड ग्रुप्स हैं जहाँ पे लोग रिव्यूज करते हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स के. नाउ मेनी ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स हु आर रेस्टोरेंट्स विल कम एंड टेल मी, यार पीपल ऑलवेज वांट टू पोस्ट नेगेटिव रिव्यूज, लेकिन 100 लोग दिन में आते हैं जिनका अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस भी होता है लेकिन घर जाके रिव्यू नहीं लिखते. That's just pure customer behavior, and we see that in a lot of social and behavioral change communication as well. जैसे जब मैं PSI जो Population Services International है, when I used to work on their account, what they would do was they would work on family planning in Pakistan. So they would run their campaigns and they would see that there are many women whose lives have changed when they started taking that 3-year gap between kids. But those are not the women who are going to come and be their positive advocates. They are not going to go and tell other women कि यार पता है मैंने तो वक्फा लिया और तुम भी लो, तुम्हारी सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. That's just not how humans work. If negative है तो वो पहले जाएगा. अगर एक दफ़ा किसी ने कोई फैमिली प्लानिंग मेथड इस्तेमाल किया but they had a very bad experience, that's it. They are a negative advocate for time to come. They will make sure, nahi bhi conversation hogi, they will make sure to tell people what a bad experience they had. But if it was positive, you will hardly hear. But yes, if you keep working and you keep building authentic content and you keep delivering a product that people remember and are loyal to, then this will be weaved into their lifestyle and you will have positive advocates, and then you perhaps might not even need any marketing because your customers will be doing that for you.